heading westbound on I-4 on my way to Epcot for your monthly What's New at Epcot episode. Let's do it. Good evening from Epcot. Today I am here to show you guys everything that is new here at the park, what exactly they're offering, and to show you the new fireworks show, Harmonious. So come on, join us. So I'm going to show you guys this beautiful, beautiful show on Spaceship Earth now. Such a beautiful show, and it goes off, I think it's every 15 minutes. I will let you know here in just a little bit once I justify that and find out. I literally just got here to the park, been out vlogging all day for you guys, more content, but I wanted to come here tonight, show you this, because I've not had a chance to show you this yet. And like literally I've been standing here for about 20 minutes just looking at this. So it's really cool just to stand here and to see this show, and I hope you guys enjoy these shows tonight on this video, because it's pretty much what we're here to do, show you guys the show. And I think we're going to head over to the creations shop and show you guys what may be new in there. This is just beautifully lit. Look at that, it's so cool. I could see it from the highway coming in, but man, so gorgeous, so beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna pull up Genie today, and we're gonna use this and see how this goes. Let's get started today. I'm not gonna do Genie Plus, but I just wanna see, just out of curiosity, what it tells me to do tonight. And it's actually just me. And let's go through our choices here. All right, it's loading my experience here. I'm gonna go to the same thing we had before. See what we get. It's kind of weird how it's showing up on the camera tonight, but I have 2 hours left before the park closes. And individual lightning lane, is Frozen Ever After still up? Nope, I don't want to do that. And then I don't want to do Genie Plus tonight. I just want to see what this suggests. So it's saying test track is what I should go to. 8:15 would be about the time to go, but see what the tip board says. Okay. Ooh, standby for Frozen is 75 minutes. So we may just be catching shows tonight. So you can still see that all these construction walls are still up here. It was actually announced today that they are beginning working on the new Moana attraction, the Shape or Spirit of Water. I can't remember the name of it, but it's going to go over here on this side of the construction walls. And I have taken a wrong path to a dead end here. For some reason I thought it would loop around, but it didn't. So we're gonna have to go back this way. And going towards the creation shop, they still have these construction walls up. So you have to walk around and then back around to head towards Mission Space, which is that way. So let's head that way. I noticed on my way to Mission Space that this is the old Mouse Gear building, and it looks completely gutted. looks kind of cool. Not sure what they're doing with that. It's kind of hard to see at night, but right over here is where the Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is going to go. You can see there's construction walls up there, but that's exactly where it's going to go, right back there. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I have not seen this yet. Everything is lit up right above the Creations shop. You can still see at this hour there's still a line for Club Cool. Let's go into Creations and let's see if there's anything new that we've missed. As always, it is bumping in here and the alarm's going off. It looks like they've moved the Ratatouille merch over here now instead of the showplace. And here is some of the 50th merch. First time I'm getting to see these. This is awesome. Price point on this is $64.99. Now I saw this the other day, but it was brief. I didn't realize exactly what it was. This is cool. And since I've been here, I believe this is new. I've not seen this one yet. In this black color. $39.99. So, yep. And it's just a little too crowded in there for my taste. So now we're gonna go around and see what else is new. Get ready for Harmonious. And I may try some of the desserts or snacks. I haven't decided yet. Depends what looks good. My glasses are fogging up because it is humid out here tonight. So anyway, let's get moving. So I saw this lobster landing and I thought about getting the lobster tail, but I just don't think I can bring myself to pay $15 for that. And I know lobster's expensive, I get that, but you know, portion size at a theme park isn't always the best. Alright, so I decided to go with the crispy pork belly. I don't know how well you can see that, it's very dark. So you're not going to get to watch me eat it. I'll give my review after I eat it because it's so dark over here. You won't be able to see me, but looks pretty good. It was $6.95 at the Brazilian booth. I have actually made the decision to skip Harmonious because it is so crowded. I got here late and didn't get a good spot. So if I'm going to put it on film, I want you guys to be able to see it. And you wouldn't be able to see wherever I went. Went around all of World Showcase. Couldn't find anything. Like I said, I decided not to do the show because I couldn't get a good shot, and I thought I don't want to put it on our channel and I can't produce the best looking thing for you guys. So I've decided to keep on showing you guys Spaceship Earth and how it's lit up because in my opinion this is what I've heard is better anyway, but so pretty. So this is going to turn more into a scenery vlog, I think, more than anything. Okay, so my thoughts on the crispy pork. I thought it was good. $6.95 for the actual portion. I just feel like it wasn't enough. I mean, I know that you're supposed to go around and try different things here, but it did taste really good. Like it was tender and nice and just enough crispiness to it that it made it delicious and made you want more. It did come with black beans, and that was like almost like a refried bean taste to it and consistency. That was pretty good too. It was a good mix. It wasn't spicy. Some people might consider it spicy, but I didn't consider it to be spicy. I just thought it was really good, and I would definitely get it again.
Because they're so high up, so I said, well, we need somebody to come and just cut them down for us. We'll be around the world. Get around the world. That's what I'm talking about.
Faltan 5 minutos, llegamos.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Maybe the best show at Walt Disney World right now. The music, the feeling, the emotion behind it, and the lights are going down now. It's time for me to get out of here. That's what they're saying. So I decided to move over here, but there is a little bit of light. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And remember, the road goes ever on. I'll see you next time.